Greetings everyone, this is me, Nicole, and we're here. We're going to decorate a clay pot today. First thing you will do, you will need a terracotta pot, twine, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Then you're going to gather your clay pot and you're going to pick out your acrylic paint and you're going to paint the first coat and the second coat. We picked metallic gold, and also we're going to paint the rim around it black. As you can see, it came out really well and it dried really fast within like 2 minutes. And this is the black. And now we're going to add our twine around the brim, with our hot glue gun. And I'm going to move very methodically, very slow here because the hot glue gun is actually hot. And I don't like to get my fingertips burnt. And I like everything to look perfect. So all I did was take the twine and wrap it around the pot and glued it like here and there around the pot, around the line. Right. So now this is me just finishing it off so you guys can get a gist of what I actually done with the pot. It dries really fast. So once you put the glue down, you have to move quickly and put the twine on or it's going to be so dry when you try to. So it was a little bit of a strenuous job because I had to go back over because it was drying really quickly. It was moving faster than I was. This is why these pots typically need plates under them so they can stay cool and hold the moisture, because if not, they just suck the moisture from the plant and the plant gets dry really fast. These are going to be used for our indoor plants. So right now I'm taking the ending of the twine and I'm just going to wrap it back, waste not, want not. The piece is definitely too little to use for anything, so I decided to swing it back around and just make it into a cute little double rope design looking thing. And after we complete this, you're going to see that I added some cowrie shells, this African beading around the pot, north, south, east, and west, for a full completion of the circle. And it looks really cool, and you're going to see it in a few seconds. And I just wanted to show you guys how strenuous the glue gun part was. This was the longest part, putting the twine around the pot. This was the longest part, not the painting or anything else. It was the hot glue gun fiasco. Yep. And it actually stuck to the pot and I had to pull off pieces and actually go back and paint over, the paint that it pulled up. So these type of pots, once you paint them with acrylic, they should not really, this one is staying as inside. You can put them wherever you want to, but I recommend that they stay indoors. So this is a look of the finished dry product before we add the beads onto it. And you would never paint the inside of your pot because it can contaminate and kill your plants. And this is the finished product. Check it out. It's so cool, and it looks like something you would actually buy from an online store. So just knowing you did it yourself, pat yourself on the back. And I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe to our channel. And ask any questions that you have in the comment section, of course. And we really hope that you get to decorate your pot in a more sophisticated and classy manner like we showed you today. Many blessings. This is Nicole. Talk to you later. Peace.